What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my Acorns account and how I just hit $10,000 in my Acorns account, and overall we have the settings for it. So we'll get into that in a second. But if you guys are new to the channel, you don't know who I am, my name is Dollar Mike. I make videos talking all about personal finance here on YouTube. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and you'll be all good to go. Either way, you probably can tell if you've seen my videos before that I'm in a new setting. This isn't my normal bedroom, and that's because I moved. So right now we're in my new apartment. I moved in with my girlfriend, or we moved together into this new apartment, and it's pretty nice so far. Obviously things aren't set up as they should be or they can be right now. The echo probably is rough, so I'm sorry for that. We'll straighten all these things out as videos progress, but for the time being, you just gotta deal with it. Either way though, we'll get into all that. If you guys wanna see me moving and all that kind of stuff, an empty apartment tour, a full apartment tour, other vlogs and stuff, definitely go and check out my Days with Dollar Mike YouTube channel. I made a whole separate channel. Doesn't have any videos on it just yet, but when it does, it will. So yeah, I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. Either way, let's get right into the video. Let's talk about my Acorns portfolio, how I just hit $10,000 in Acorns. Let's get right into it. Show the settings, let's go. Now you guys already know I've been using the Acorns platform for some time now. I've been using the Acorns platform for about 3 to 4 years now, I would say. And overall, it's been a solid platform. It's perfect for beginner investors like myself at the time. Now I go ahead and invest in my own stocks, and Acorns has something coming up where you can do that as well. But we're not going to get into that. Either way, let's go on into my Acorns portfolio and show you guys my settings for my $10,000 portfolio. But right now, my Acorns portfolio, if you guys didn't know, is mainly focused on my Roth IRA. I don't currently have anything saved or invested really in my basic Acorns account. That might change again. I take the money out, put it back in every now and then. But let's just open it up, Face ID, and we are in. So right now, good afternoon, Michael. Your portfolio right now is sitting at $10,495.58. As you can see right here at the top, I only have about $495 in my normal investing account. That's the normal account that you sign up when you get Acorns with. I have a later account, which is a retirement account that you can use on Acorns, or you can use it somewhere else. I specifically just have mine on Acorns. Either way, we go and click on that later account that's sitting at $10,490.63. Now I hit this point, this threshold, this milestone multiple times, but since the stock market has been doing whatever for the past couple months, I would say now, because we're in March now, and it's been going up and down crazy for the past couple months. This is where we are today. So finally a consistent $10,000 in the account for multiple days consecutively. Good stuff there. Either way, I have an age-based portfolio. If you guys don't know, right now I am 25 years old. So my age-based portfolio will change depending on how far I age, or I guess as I age, pretty much it'll change. So right now, most of my money is put into stocks, and as I get older, it'll slowly put more money into bonds, overall just making it more of a safer investment for me come retirement. So if I go ahead and click on age-based portfolio, we can see I have the aggressive portfolio set. In the aggressive portfolio, we have about 55% of my money going towards large company stocks. That's like stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, all the big names, all the S&P 500 stocks is likely in the large company stocks. And this tracks the VOO, which is the Vanguard Index Fund. If we go back, we can see what the next big one is, and that is 30% of my money will go to international companies. So we go ahead and click on that. That is under the IXUS ticker symbol if you're interested in investing in that yourself. And that holds companies like Nestle, Taiwan Semiconductor or TSM, Tencent, Samsung, Shell, and some other companies as well. If we go one back, the next biggest one is 10% into medium company stocks. If we go and click on that, that is for ticker symbol IJH. And we scroll down, you can see they hold companies like Alcoa, Fair Isaac. Oh, that's the FICO people. I never even knew that. Wow, Fair Isaac. Okay, that makes sense. First Horizon and other companies like that. And then the last I have in my investment portfolio is 5% going to small company stocks. So we go and click on that. That is for ticker symbol IJR if you want to invest in it on your own. And that is for Southwestern Energy, Rogers, and all that kind of good stuff. Chart, Exponent, Incorporated. So if you're interested, there you guys go. Now my year-to-date return is actually down right now. We're down about 4.79%, but that makes perfect sense because overall most of the market has been down, and as I said before, we're in 100% stocks, and that's overall a loss right now on year-to-date. So that means from January 1st till right now, which is March 21st. We're down about $532 overall year to date. I have 0% of my money in bonds, and you can go ahead and check the theme out all the way at the bottom as well. I'm invested in the core portfolio for Acorns, but they do also offer ESG portfolios. They're pretty much environmentally, social, and governance portfolios. If you really care about social things that's going on with the companies that you're invested in, environmental things that's going on with the companies you're invested in, and just making sure the people that you invest in, as far as like Apple, Tesla, it's making sure all those companies are really nice people and their workers are actually happy, then that's what ESG portfolios are for. So they find companies that pretty much match all that up. But personally for me, I'm just in that core portfolio, if you were wondering. If we head on back, we can see the overall performance. But before that, you can see I have my recurring investment on my Acorns portfolio set up to about $115 every single week. That $115 pretty much adds up to about $6,000 a year, which is the max I can put in, or the max I can contribute to my Roth IRA every single year. Now this may change in the future, but for 2021 it is $6,000, so that's the max amount of money I can put into this particular Roth IRA, or really any Roth IRA across all of my Roth IRAs. If you guys don't know, or you want to learn more about investment accounts and retirement accounts in particular, then make sure you check the video link. It'll be right up there, and it'll tell you all about those retirement accounts if you have questions. Also, if you have questions, just drop them down below in the comment section. I'll respond. Past that though, you can scroll down, you can add a beneficiary. I don't have one set right now, but you can add one if you want to. This pretty much means when you go in and add a beneficiary, if you pass away, they'll get pretty much your investment funds. That's how it pretty much works. Makes it a little easy, and it's as simple as that. On top, you can see the one-time deposit if you want to do that, or withdrawal if you want to do that as well. I do not recommend withdrawing when it comes to a retirement account because you have to deal with tax penalties and stuff like that. Definitely go and check out your tax professional for all that kind of good stuff, and you'll be all good to go there. Past that though, we scroll down, you can see my recurring contributions every single week of $115, and then we can see my performance right here, and my overall performance for my later account right now, or my Roth IRA on Acorns right now, using the aggressive portfolio for about a year and a half now. I would say, let me see, is it 2019, 2020, 2021? So let's say like 2 years. Let's just say like 2 years flat. 2 years flat where I had about 9%, which isn't terrible. I think it will do pretty well. It was a lot higher than that, but obviously I lost about 5% alone just in the past 2 months. So we'll get that back. Long-term investing, this is no worries here. I'm not touching this money until I'm about 59, 60 years old. So who really cares right now? I don't. But if you do, then this might not be the best option for you. And if you do care about that kind of stuff, then you need to figure out another investment strategy for yourself, because this Roth IRA or any retirement account for investing is a long-term investment strategy. It's not something you do where you make money from really quickly. Now you can do that, but there are options for you out there. Either way, if we scroll lower, we can see the 1 year return is about 2%. Past 6 months is down about 1%. Past 3 months down about 3%. Past month down up about 1.59%, and the past day, which is kind of still working because we're in the middle of the day right now, we're down roughly 0.7%. If I scroll down, let's see what else they have to offer. They just tell me what's in the portfolio, which was what I already mentioned to you before. We're 100% invested into stocks that'll change over time, and that's pretty much it. Let me just go and check out this stuff. It's just showing you with the performance screen. If you don't understand it, what it means, you can scroll through and see where I started from zero, like most people do, and we work our way on up to where we are today, just by consistently investing over time, and letting the money work for you, because that's the end of the day, that's what you want to do. You want to let the money work for you. So that's all I kind of got. Let me scroll over just to make sure I'm not missing anything. But that's pretty much it. As far as the retirement account or my $10,000 in Acorns, those are my settings. That is what I have for my portfolio. So if you're interested in signing up for Acorns and getting yourself a free $5, I believe, when you sign up, then all good to go. Use my link down below and you'll be all set. So that's pretty much it. That's all I got for today's video. Like I said before, I moved. Everything's good there. It's just gonna take some time to get things together, but we're all good to go. So thank you very much for watching this video. Take care of yourselves. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'm definitely going to get back into the groove of things. That's what I've been trying to do. It's just like everything one after another, just constantly. So hopefully things will get right back to normal here on the channel. If you guys want to see vlogs from me, if you guys want to see the apartment fully, the whole apartment, not just this room, which is going to change over time as well, yeah, let me know. And yeah, subscribe to Days with Dollar Mike. I'll have a link, probably like the first link in the description. Subscribe to Days with Dollar Mike. There's no videos on there right now, so yeah. Either way, that's all I got. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Dollar Mike. Stay safe. Stay positive. Stay hydrated. Peace.